Welcome to YOUCANIC. We got a Mazda 3 here of 2016, and today we're going to work on how you would get to the window regulator to be able to replace the window regulator. The window regulator comes in, it's behind here. It's a metal element with some cables on it. You can buy it as just the metal portion, or you can buy it with the motor together. It's only like 10 bucks more or 5 bucks more to get it with the motor. So if the regulator's gone bad, you might as well replace it all. If for whatever reason your motor goes bad, you can just replace the motor, and that would be fairly easy, but we'll go over that when we get into it. So we've removed the door panel, right? The inner door panel. We've removed that, and then you've gotten access and removed the glass out of there by lowering your window and undoing the 2 bolts that hold the glass in, and removed it. And then we get into here. We've got 8 number 10s all the way around to undo, and 1 push pin right here, and then this whole panel will come off, and then we'll gain access to the window regulator itself. And to do that, so to start with, we've got 2 electrical connections. We've got an electrical connection over here that goes for the outside window, or not the outside window, for this mirror. So we'll undo that, just kind of put that out of the way. And then we've got an electrical connector over here, which is for all the door actuator and stuff on the vehicle. So we'll just undo that. And that way, when we undo all these bolts, this will shift to the side, and because all this electric is still going to stay on. So these are just number 10s, 8 of them, go all the way around, and 1 push pin. We had to remove the 3 screws that hold the window regulator in on the bottom, but door panel has some type of adhesive stuff, so you just kind of work your way around and it'll come undone. And so we've got this one more bolt up here that is holding the rest of the regulator in. Just remove that. We now have access to the window regulator unit itself. And so to get the rest of this off, we need to remove the 3 bolts on the other side from the motor unit itself. So with the 3 bolts removed from the motor, then it'll just pull straight out. It's just some gears that hold it in there. Undo your electric here. And then this will pop off. And this is your window regulator. You can buy just this whole unit itself, or you can buy the regulator with the new motor to put on here. Depending on your what you would like to do. If you know it's just the motor, then you can go ahead and just replace the motor. But there's things that these plastic clips and stuff, they will wear out. So say you roll up your window one day and you hear some crackling noise, it's generally the plastic clips that give out, and these rollers here. And then, so then you would need to do this whole window regulator. I find it's only like 5 or 10 bucks more to buy with the motor. I would just buy it and put it on with the new motor myself. If you literally just happen to be needing to replace the motor, you know for sure it's just the motor and everything else has no problems, you can leave all of this on the car. You would lower the window all the way down so it doesn't have the pressure on it, and then just go ahead and remove the 3 bolts that hold this motor in, this, and then just pop it off and pop the new one on, line up the splines, and everything will, and hook all your electric back up, and you're good to go. So that's how you do that. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.